Hello everyone, welcome back to Sadhika Vadari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video we're gonna learn Lambda function, that is also called anonymous function. Why anonymous? Because Lambda function does not have any name. Okay, so if I make a function add and give two parameters here a comma b and return a plus b. Okay, and here let's print a add. Okay, and let's give the arguments to be 2 and 3. See, it's returning 5. But what if we do this work in just one line, right? So let's see how can we do that. Here, let's make a variable first, add is equals to, and inside this we can make the function. Okay, so lambda, okay, a comma b. So these are the parameters, right? And now we can write a plus b. Now if I print a 2 comma 3, see, it is giving 5. So this is how we make a lambda function. We first write lambda and then we give the parameters, okay, and after putting a colon we tell the function what we have to do. Okay, this function do not have any name. You may think that the name of this function is a, but it is not a. Let me show it to you. If I call my this function, or let's just print this function, print add. I'm just printing this function, I'm not calling it. If I have to call it, I have to write like this. We have to put parentheses, but I'm just printing the function. Okay, so you'll see function add, the name of function is add at this. But if I print a, this one, see, function lambda at this is the location where this function is stored in our memory. Okay, so here as you can see it is returning, it is giving lambda. Here there is no name of the function, right? So this was lambda function. Now let's take another example of lambda function. Okay, so let's comment this out. Here let's define a function even. Okay, so here it will take a number, and here we have to write a condition. So if num mod 2 is equals to 0, so print or return true. Else return false. Okay, and print even, and here let's pass the number 4. Okay, so it will return true because 4 is even. Here This function can also be written as return number mod 2 is equals to 0. So it is like a condition. So there will only be two values, true or false. If number on dividing by 2 leaves the remainder 0, then it will return true, or else it will return false. Okay, so it has only two conditions, true or false. So here it is num mod 2 is equal to 0 and we are returning it. Okay, now let's do it using lambda function. So here if I have, let's take e. Okay, now let's make lambda, and then first we will pass the parameters. So num, and then after putting the colon we will give the condition. Okay, so num mod 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so here we have given the parameter and here we have given what we have to return. Okay, now if I print e, let's say 6. Okay, see, it is returning true. So it is working quite well, and the syntax is also easy, right? So right, that was lambda function. Hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the session.